This is Western packing. Do you know when it started? More than 10 years before I and its boss started together, dreamed together for a nice company, for the good company. Come on. Do you know this brand? Western Packing is very famous in my country. This is your excellent showroom. They have all samples here. You can find everything here. They have a very strong sales department for the whole over the world. Here, all the guys for the sales. Hi. This is the most important department for this machinery company, the design section. They have a very skilled designers who are designing the very good, excellent quality for the design. It is most important things here. You see, excellent design. Financial office, logistic department. This is the promotion department of Western Packing. Hi girls.
Hello.
This is the most energetic and young team of Western Packing. They are promoting their goods to all over the world. I like it very much. They don't have only single line machine, but they have 10 lines machine, very high technology and high quality full machines. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 lines machine, upgraded technology and most effective for this modern world. This is the machine for using foods, cosmetics, for liquid packaging machine. You see, they are using the Siemens Germany, high technology. And also the 4 lines machine, many machines. Come, all the machines you have for the liquid packing machine. Goodbye. All the people working very for the land, that is the good work. We are very friendly. They are developing Western packing day by day.
让我们的朋友为我们这次的犀利之行做个总结。
Yes, every time when I come in Western Packing, there's a lot of difference, high technology, every time develop. I am really proud of you, my friend, Western Packing.
兄弟抱一下，说说你心里话。